Alright, in this lesson we are going to be writing our own inequalities from a given situation. So in this first one, a thermostat should keep the room temperature within 2 degrees of 70. Okay? If you think about that on a number line, let's say this is 70 degrees right here. This is 71, this is 72, 69, 68. Within 2 degrees of 70. That means here's like my center point. My center point is 70. And the thermostat can keep it within 2 degrees. So it can keep it up to 72 or it can keep it down to 68. But it's got to fall somewhere between there. Okay? So somewhere between 68 and 72. So this is sort of my center. So when you're dealing with absolute value, the biggest distance it can move is 2. Okay, it can move 2 degrees. It can move 2 degrees to the right. It can move 2 degrees to the left. But that distance away from the center has to be 2. So here's what it should look like. That distance away from 70 has to be smaller than or equal to 2. Okay, 70 is sort of your center point, and you're measuring your distance away from that 70. So that's what it's going to look like. Jack's score on the test was within 5 points of the class average, which was 85. So again, if you think about that, here's the class average, which is 85. His score was somewhere within 5 points. I don't know if it was within that 5 points above to make 90 or the 5 points below to make 80. But either way, this distance right there is 5. Okay, here's your center point. Your center point is 85. So basically, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going to subtract 85, and that distance has to be smaller than or equal to 5. Okay?